The IoT Trainer Kit enables hands-on understanding of IoT architecture, including sensor data acquisition, embedded processing, and network communication. It supports prototyping across application domains such as smart automation, agriculture, healthcare monitoring, and industrial control. The platform also facilitates experimentation in smart city sensing and real-time connected system design.
I am thankful for BMU for giving me the opportunity to be part of the design team, and I'm very grateful for my mentor to help me guide through the whole process. The PCB IoT Trainer Kit allows students to perform 30 plus experiments in sensor fusion, data acquisition, IoT, cloud. It has improved efficiency throughout the IoT lab, as students now can spend time learning IoT rather than connecting wires.
We have three communication protocols like I2C, SPI, and the UART protocols. Our focus was to ensure flexibility, reliability, and ease of the academic project environments.
Embedded system and Internet of Things plays a vital role in shaping modern engineering applications and student competence in the industrial practices. It is a great initiative by the department that it will boost student confidence in developing skills and solving the real-life applications.